And the honor we are talking about is not honor like money only. My father is gone, but I have stuff I want to put his name on. You come to my space, you will see people who are important to me. Some of them are dead, but their portraits are big. It speaks, it's a statement. It's so sad when you go into the house of young men and you see naked women on their walls and women that does this like this. And no. Minovio, your father is alive or dead. His picture didn't appear. Your mother, beautiful woman, her picture didn't appear. This person in your room, you don't know her from anywhere. Naked girl is in your room. You don't have honor. Sit down or the name of media to so. Or ye bibi no the name of media to so. People does things, and I love these children of my Reku Ampem, who used to be one of the amazing investors in this country, also achieved in the Ekuapem Ridge. If you go to Opebia, close to the Opebia house, you can see a building with the name the Grand Oyemine. And the Oyemine is their father's name. And they call their father the Grand. The Grand Oyemine. Honoring fatherhood. Do you know that for some of us, without our fathers, we will be nobodies? Oh, yes. And I'm talking to you, our papa boao. Te seme. The papa ne saw me in such a medjuma. As a building technologist. Said, ye see die. I saw it die, I would tell me, I'm see ye. Dear war Alabasta City, men I'm see ye. Dear war Pantime, men I'm see ye. Dear war East Legon, men I'm see ye. I saw the project be here, me and I'm see ye. So my father helped me. Do you know the monies contractors are taking from preachers? So people like that, I honor him. So don't come here and bow yourself down to me when you don't bow to your father. Don't do it.